Guys, ITZY is back. Born to Be.
Oh my god.
We've seen some teasers, some concept clips, and if that's any indication of this track, it's about to go hard.
It's about to go down.
For lack of anything better or interesting to say, I say we go straight into this.
I'm just waiting for you to finish so we can get to it.
All right, ITZY, Born to Be. Oh, God.
I'm on it. Whoa.
Oh, that move.
Whoa.
Oh, you know what?
Woo.
Jesus. Ab City. Oh.
Woo. Whoa.
Oh my gosh, Chaeyoung. Holy crap.
Wow. I just noticed Leah's not here.
Yeah, I was gonna pause and comment, but
Oh my god, they changed.
this whole the staging is crazy. Oh,
Wow.
that was crazy.
Oh my god. Oh, that hit like a truck.
That was so crazy.
Ooh, and when Yeji kicked you in the face, I felt it.
I mean, the whole music video was kicking me in the face. That was crazy. Everything from the staging, the choreography, the vocals, like the visuals, the concept was just going 0 to 100
Yeah.
every single time.
My favorite part was definitely that drop into the rap with Ryujin and Chaeyoung, and then like the outfit switches and the stage flip with Yuna front and center. Oh,
and like
Ab City.
they're all just Ab City.
Oh, I
But
love
all of
Chaeyoung's
their
like
hand-
thing when she was going. Oh,
the hand things with like the
Oh,
people,
God,
the dancers
so
on the
good.
stage, because it
So
looked
good.
so grand in scale.
I love the concept of the video too. It was very dark. You know, it was like fire. It was all about darkness and fire and fire and brimstone all crashing into your face.
I want there to be like a stage practice, a dance video, any kind of thing, but they don't have it right now. But we're going to watch it again so we can absorb it all. But before we do that, I do want to address the elephant in the room.
Yeah.
And say that we really hope that Leah is feeling better and she comes back well rested. She's currently on hiatus for
Health reasons.
reasons.
Yeah.
Her presence was very very missed
Yeah.
because I didn't recognize a large and like powerful vocal presence.
I'm not sure if they recorded the song without her or with her. She just wasn't available, for obvious reasons in this one. So you guys, if you guys know anything more about that, leave it in the comment section below, because I wouldn't be surprised if her lines were recorded in there. It just wasn't performed in this music video.
Yeah, I mean the way I'm seeing it right now, it's like a Hamdong Dreamcatcher thing with Boca in that
Right.
era. But yeah, I definitely it was definitely noticeable. There was no like vocal lines that really.
Yeah.
But still,
Born to be.
the song is fire.
Born to be.
I
This
love the
is
staging.
fantastic.
And the staging and the dancers. Like
Look at that choreo. Oh, it's like a blooming flower. Yeji looks fantastic. Amazing.
Like I love you. Like
Look at that
Yeji right
move. And what is that synth in the back?
now. This part right here was like a.
Like
It was
a
just
punch
like
in the face.
a punch in the face from Yuna because like
Oh.
she usually comes in with like the
With the cute lines?
voice.
Yeah, the cute
but she's
lines.
coming in with like a very husky
Yeah,
voice.
yeah. I appreciate that. That little move that she makes, oh, it's so sweet.
I feel like this is her normal voice. She needs to sing
Yeah.
it everywhere.
Whoa, Ryujin like
Yeah. The pop.
comes in hard.
Oh.
Look at her face. Ah,
But look, but pay attention to all these hands with everyone.
yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. She just makes you want to growl. Ah! Love that
And then we
move.
get to see the 6-pack of all 6-packs.
Yeah. So whose line was that? Was that Yeji's line or was that Leah's line?
Hold on,
Because
hold on.
because I didn't see Yeji moving her mouth in this.
That
this
was
part.
Chaeryung.
Was that Chaeryung?
Yeah, she's still.
Oh, I forget that she can do that.
She can sing, you know. A lot
Yeah, I
of
know.
them, they
Yeah, I
can
know.
sing.
I know.
But I think if anything, when Leah comes back, she might take that line.
Right.
But it is Chaeryung doing it now. Also, that dude, the way they freaking ragdoll that like zombies, like,
Oh.
like,
Oh my god.
just crazy.
Yeah.
This is so hard.
I don't know. Chaeryung's killing it though.
All right.
And this hair? Yuna? Wow.
Oh man. Oh gosh. This is a song to see on concert, dude.
Yes. Oh, I want to see the live stage practice. Ooh, this breakdown.
You gotta love the dance breaks. Yeji's killing me. Ugh. That's crazy.
Wow. I see Yuna like fidgeting at the end over there.
Listen.
Listen. That was boom. I don't know.
Exactly what they're saying. They were born to be.
Mm.
You know, and I can't wait for Leah to join back in and join in on this fanfare, because that song is straight fire, no misses.
That was
all
fantastic.
hit. And it's like, it's kind of proof that like ITZY is worthy of full group standing. Because every time Yeji is center stage, I'm like, oh my gosh, she's my bias now.
I know. It's like, oh my god, Cheryl. Oh my god.
And then Ryujin starts rapping like, she's
look
my
at
bias
you
now.
I was like, oh my god. They were all wrecking everything.
Absidy Young happens. I'm gonna call her
Absidy.
Absidy.
You know Absidy. Everyone at some point had some Absidy moments in this one. It was just like, they were powerful, sexy, and the song was just...
Man, this was a crazy comeback. I can't wait to react to the stage practice, the dance performance, any other live performance that they do of this. That's definitely in the future for us. I just can't wait to take our journey with it.
We're gonna have to like continue that at some point.
Yeah.
But it is still there. I mean, we did start it, and we need to finish it. We need to continue it, so to speak. So
we gotta get to sneakers. Put your sneakers
my God.
on. We've heard that a lot.
But yeah. Guys, let us know what you thought about this comeback from ITZY, Born to Be. Like, which parts were your favorite, and did it slap you in the face, or did it hit you like a truck?
Ask me that. What part is my favorite?
What part is your favorite?
Yes.
That's it. You just gotta say yes. Just say yes in the comment section below. But in any case, that is it for us, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. Leave us a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and tap that bell so you know when we post new videos. And once again, this is what we're watching this Sunday. We'll see you next time.